Welcome back to Area Diesel Service, your diesel experts since 1973. Today we're going to do a short video that we're going to refer to as the parts counter. We're going to pull out some specific products. We're going to talk about their specific features and benefits. Might get into a little bit of technical information, things to look out for. These videos are going to try and cover the type of conversations we have at our parts counter regarding these specific parts. So maybe we'll save you a trip or get you some information out there regarding some of the stuff that we're distributing. Today on this episode of the Parts Counter, we're going to talk about LB7 injectors. This is the 11-3001 fuel injector. This is under the MAGNUM product brand, so remanufactured by Area Diesel Service, always with brand new nozzle, brand new control valve. High quality remanufactured unit, 2-year guaranteed part acceptance, and pays labor upon fault found claims. Again, LB7 is 01 to 04 Chevy Duramax, and be careful because 04 is a brake year. You can find LB7 and LLY engines in 2004. Number one mode of failure here is foreign objects, contamination, debris type related failures. If you've ever bought a set of these injectors or one of these injectors, you should have been recommended to replace the supply tube. And the reason is this supply tube has a recess where this nut fits around the line, and that recess will become caked with gunk and debris, dirt, grease, and grime. When you reuse this line, many times you'll free up some of that and feed it directly to your injector, and you've just roached your brand new set of injectors. We always recommend the line to be replaced. In fact, it's required to validate the warranty coverage. Doing an LB7 injector, it's a good idea to replace the supply tube. There's 4 different part numbers for the supply tubes. Each part number covers 2 cylinders, so you'll need 2 pieces of 4 different part numbers to replace the lines on your engine. Okay, so this injector is also covered by what we call a Pro Package. Pro Package is an injector installation kit for full set replacement. 12-3001 is your Pro Package on your LB7 engine. That's 8 injectors, 8 supply tubes, valve cover gaskets, return fuel line, sealing washers and grommets, and a filter base rebuild kit. Everything you need to do a high quality repair on an LB7 injector replacement is going to be included with your Pro Package. So we'll put a link in the description to show you this Pro Package and the other Pro Packages that we offer. So that's another episode of the Parts Counter here at Area Diesel Service. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. You can call us at 800-637-2658. You can email us at parts@areadiesel.com. You can log on to our website at areadieselservice.com, and you can also chat with us instantly on our website through the button in the bottom right hand corner. Please like and subscribe. Share this content if you found it beneficial. Leave us a comment below if there is something else you'd like us to showcase or talk about. If you have any questions or recommendations, please leave them there and we'll try and cover them on the next episode of the Parts Counter.